Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to make cold press nut milks on the Goodnature X-1 cold press juicer. The first step is always to soak the nuts in filtered water for at least 24 hours. We soak these almonds and cashews for about 48. Next, drain the dirty water and rinse the nuts. Here, we are weighing out 2 pounds of nuts and then adding in 4 pounds of water. With this recipe, we are adding fresh water back in with a ratio of 1 part nuts, 2 parts filtered water. Add the mixture to your blender and blend just enough to break up the nuts into tiny pieces. This took about 30 seconds with our Vitamix XL. Pour the slurry directly into the X1 press. We recommend using the wide weave bag. Repeat this process until the bag is about halfway full or you have used all your nuts. Blend any additional solid ingredients and add to the slurry in the bag. Next, we will start the press, but be sure to press very slowly and watch the slurry rise in the bag. If the bag is rising too quickly, slow the press down. When the milk begins to slow to a trickle, reverse the press. We don't want to overpress the slurry as we don't want the nut meal left in the bag seeping into our milk. At this point, add any additional liquid ingredients to the milk and stir. Milk is ready to be bottled, chilled, and is ready for sale, or maybe a little sampling as well.